All right, please open page 6, book 6. And today we are going to do what? We are going to draw the animal and write how these animals move. Okay. All right. So first of all, what do? We learn how to write these words. So let's go. Cow. Yeah, cow. Cow can do what? Can walk, right? Yeah, cow can walk or run. So how do we write walk? W A L K. W A L K. Walk. Walk. Good job. W A L K. Walk. Good job. Now let's write run. R U N. R U N. Run. Okay, R U N. Run. And let's go next page. Move its wings or fly. Can you write fly? F. Okay, the butterfly can fly. Yeah, F. L. Y. Fly. F. L. Y. Fly. F. L. Y. Fly. Good job. Okay. Next one. Good job. Fly. Yes. Okay. Next one. And 1, 2, 3. Wow. Good job. Okay. Can you spell it for me? S Swim. Good job. All right. Swim. Fish can swim. That's great. Yes. Okay. Now what do? We need to draw one of these animals. Like we can draw cow, chicken, or cat, or fish. All right. So teacher drew cat and she wrote cat can W-A-L-K, walk, and R-U-N, run. Good job. Okay, and we can draw a butterfly. Butterfly can fly. We write F, L, Y, fly. Fly. No. Fish. Wow. Fish can do what? Can swim. So how can I write swim? Marwell, how can I write swim? S W I M, swim. Good job. Now let me check your classmates' work and see what are they doing.
Finish the study.
Okay.